Hello all, this is Esha with EshasResinCreations and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I created this resin notebook. Now I started with the Mass Art Pro Epoxy Resin. I've been using this resin for a little over a year now, and it's a really good resin. It has a long working time, just 40 minutes. That's plenty of time to do what I need to do with this notebook. The colors I use today is a bright pink and deep lavender. I can't remember the brand that I got these mica pigments from, but when I find out, I will leave it down in the description box below. I also use some gold flakes and some white alcohol ink. Now, as you can see, I've already pre-mixed my resin, and I let it sit for about a good 5 minutes to let some of the air bubbles come to the top. I didn't pop them until I got them into the mold. Now with this mold, it's very sensitive to heat, so you will not see me using the torch with this mold. I started spraying my epoxy down with 91% alcohol, as you can see in this clip that just played, and it does a really good job at getting all of the bubbles out. Now I'm just going through trying to even out the resin. If there's any residue that got in it, I'm trying to pick it out before I start pouring my colors in. Now I didn't have any rhyme or reason with the way I laid these. It was all random. Whatever I so decided to do, that's exactly what I did. I'm going to let this video play a little while, and then I'll be back towards the end of the video. Now there's one thing I wish I would have done, and that was waited a little while longer to actually pour the colors into this resin, just so that I can get the lines to stay put. Eventually they ended up moving, as you will see at the end of the video when I show the final pictures. It still came out super pretty. I'm very happy with the result of it. But lesson learned, slow down. Don't try to rush this project. Now here I am, being as impatient as I am, trying to draw in these lines with this toothpick, and I love the design in it. I wish it would have stayed that way, but that's okay. Next time. here I am a couple of days later. This piece is ready to be taken out of its mold, and look at how clear that is. That mass Art Pro resin is the bee's knees. Now you see my lines have totally dissipated in here, which is totally fine. It still came out very, very pretty. I am happy with the end result. And here is the end result of the resin notebook that you just saw me create. I will leave everything that I use down in the description box below, so if you so decide to try to recreate this, you'll have everything you need there to do so. As always, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, leave a comment, and if you so choose, subscribe to my channel. You all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.